What's up, beautiful people? We want to tell you some great news about our movie, Take Home Pay, which we just finished today, our last day of filming. Yeah.
And you get to see the movie when it comes out in September.
That's right. That's from Ronnie and Vito. What do you want to say to our beautiful people in Samoa?
Malo lavar kapuai ainga mawo lo famun mai I akong ufo I ngai Samoa. Kaila mo kapuai nga le wai faiva lo wai umar munguia faiva sa fianga yema. Malong fanga ngai malo lavar kapuai.
Yeah, like mako lights on mako haka. But yes, the world premiere for Take Home Pay is right here in Tamaki Makaurau, Okilani.
Yeah, so all our people are whataula le tauteke o mai e mata liata, esa le manaya o liata o le Take Home Pay premiere I Okilani here in Tamaraki, Macau.
Yeah. Cow.
Make sure you follow us on Facebook, Instagram and all the other things. Okay, yeah, far. Take Home Pay.